How to get the most out of the Volvo Download Center. When the car is online, there is the option to download new apps, keep existing apps updated, or uninstall apps. The apps are managed via Download Center in Application View. To be able to download, update, or uninstall apps, the car must be online. Please note, data download may affect other services that transmit data, for example, internet radio. If the effect on other services is experienced as disruptive, then the download can be interrupted. Alternatively, it may be appropriate to switch off or interrupt other services. Connecting the car. Connect the car to the phone via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or with the car's built-in modem. The mobile phone and network operator must support tethering, sharing the internet connection, and the plan must include data. Please note, data is transferred when using the internet, data traffic, which can have a cost. Activation of data roaming can result in further charges. Open the app Download Center. Select New Apps in order to open a list of apps that are available but not installed in the car. 1. Tap anywhere on the row for an app in order to expand in the list and get more information about the app. 2. Select Install in order to start the download and installation of the desired app. The status of the download and installation is shown while it is in progress. A message is shown if a download cannot be started for the moment. The app will remain in the list, and it is possible to try to start a download again. Cancelling a download. Tap on Abort to cancel a download in progress. Note that only the download can be cancelled. Installation cannot be cancelled once it has begun. Update an app. If an app is being used during an ongoing update, it will be restarted in order for the installation to be completed. To update all, open the app Download Center. Select Application Updates in order to open a list of all available updates. Select Install All. To update some, open the app Download Center. Select Application Updates in order to open a list of all available updates. Locate the desired app and select Install. Uninstall an app. An app that is being used must be closed in order for the uninstallation to be completed. Open the app Download Center. Select Application Updates. Select Installed Applications in order to open a list of all installed apps. Locate the desired app and select Uninstall in order to start the uninstallation of the app. When the app has been uninstalled, it disappears from the list.